No, it's all right. It's carpet.
Nice in the face first.
No, she knows how to sit.
賢いよ。うん。Wee!
No, she turns around. Nahi, Babu, nahi. Laga.
She's laughing.
Nahi. She got hurt. She's just being brave.
Let her be brave.
No, just try and hold her. Show her how to do it properly.
Yeah, Japan made my life. She knows what she's supposed to do.
Does she know how to do?
No, I think so. Just have a
She's
look.
forgotten. Just hold her hand, na, Rajiv?
But just have a look, then like let's see.
Hang on.
Not yet.
She's gonna just go.
So.
Yeah. Quite there,
No, maybe that's a bit scary, I guess. So that's why she's turning around.
Yeah.
Yeah, I normally say like a wee doing the slide, so that's why she always say like a wee.
Why can't I put it on my bed that she will not fall anywhere?
Because it won't be stable. The whole thing will collapse.
Look, she will fail.
Let her go backwards once, see what happens.
It's a bit dangerous actually without the railing.
If you want to do it like a proper
No, but
Thank God it's small.
after a few months, she'll be fine.
just practice.
Because there's another one, but it's too small, so I thought that one is better.
No, this is all right.
No, get the one.
But I think let her sleep on and then let her slide. Like, let her sleep like that. Yeah, sleep. Wait. Sleep. Whee! No, she'll get hurt on the head.
Rajesh, why don't we get one of the radiant?
Size.
Okay.